Hello, my Rosebuds. I am at Rainbow meeting my friend because she wanted to come and look for some outfits. So I decided to do a vlog. I don't know if I'm going to just let her choose my outfits or I'm just going to come in here and shop. But I'm bringing y'all along with us. So when she gets here, well, the ambulance or something. But when she gets here, I'll come back. See y'all in a few. We are in Rainbow right now. So yeah. So let's look around. Okay, y'all, so she watched one of my videos, one of my Rainbow videos, and ordered some clothes, and they did not fit. So now she's returning them and looking for substitutions. Okay, y'all, so we did not find anything in this Rainbow, so we are on the way to another Rainbow. So we're gonna see what we can find over there. Maybe she can find something and I can find something as well. We will see you at the next store. Yep. Okay, y'all, so we are in the second Rainbow and still looking for stuff. If we don't find nothing here, we're gonna go across the street to Simply 10 and see what they have.
What that say? What does it say? What does it say?
It said 4.
4?
Mm-hmm.
Girl, what did it?
What do the tag say at the top though?
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so yeah, so that is cute. It do look like a turnaround.
I love it in the front, but it's just something pulling it to make it come on.
You go down the size.
I don't think they have one inside. Girl, I might have my mama do some tricks.
What size that is?
This is a 2.
That's a 2, that's why.
But that's the only problem with them.
That's because it's too big. It's big all back here. All back. Okay, y'all, so this is the second outfit. Yeah.
So I like it, I'm gonna get it.
You gonna get that size?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Because I like the flow. I don't like nothing too, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's a 1X, y'all.
Yeah.
And she don't want to go down to an extra large, to a large.
Do it like that.
But if you got a 1X, it will fit like that. You see what I'm saying?
But it ain't that far off. I don't have it buttoned. It ain't that far off.
Okay.
You know what I mean? If it was like way down here, then I'd be like, nah. But I think we do.
All right, y'all. Hey guys, so we have left Rainbow, that's literally across the street, and now we are at Simply 10, about to see what they have in here. So we finna go look, see what they have, maybe try on some clothes, and we'll get back with you. Okay, y'all, so we are in Simply 10, and don't that catch your eye?
I'm gonna see. It's cute stuff in here now.
It is.
You know. Oh man.
Now, if you like a lot of plaid, you go to shirts for the fall.
Oh, so they want to do like what you call them things?
Gotcha. Look at this one, Alethia.
Cute. No.
No, you're not doing that. They just putting
No fanny pack. No, thank you.
Got a fanny pack saying now.
Girl, they can have that one. This is cute. Oh my girl, I'm about to die. Oh yes, all day. Isn't
Yeah,
that
that's
cute?
you.
Oh yes, all day. How you like that?
That is cute. And what you got? What size you got that sweater in?
Girl, this is a 1X. 1X. That's what it is.
That sweater is cute.
Let me try to choose on.
The whole outfit cute. Okay, y'all remember dots. They still got the sign over the door. Come back around.
Yeah, LaRonna.
That's a cute one.
It is.
LaRonna.
Okay, y'all. So this is the second
Call me about what?
outfit, and she really feeling it, honey, because she done got the dancing and everything.
Hey.
I think I get you some red high heel. You good?
Girl, yes. Oh, red.
The black one, yeah, the black one's look better. The red, that red will be too much red.
No, look good on you though. Get you some red high heel and a red purse. You good?
Oh, wait, she said red everything.
She want red everything.
Okay, that's that one. Okay.
All right, girl, that was cute. Okay, y'all, so we are done for today. We are done with Simply Fashions. I had fun watching my friend try on outfits. I couldn't find nothing myself, but it was fun watching her. So if you enjoyed the outfits or if you like anything, see if you guys have a Simply Fashions in your area. And if you do, go check them out. Everything is $10 and under. The outfits that she tried on were super cute. Like, they were
Love them.
bomb.
They are very, very cute.
Yes.
Yes.
So, I want to thank my friend for taking the time out today to come shopping.
Thank you for having me, girl.
So, yeah, we'll see you the next time.